Hmm. Hallucinate! Hindi tambal. Uy, gago ko yung shit. Way tai. Wala. Feel ako, take tag medicine or dili? Amot lang. Dobre, ano na ko dabi daw? Ay, puta. Ay, dara na ilawas sa baki. Dara na ilawas. I thought the man was following Bori. He quickly tried to leave, saying, "I'm sorry, I must have mistaken you for someone else. His name is Takbu. He said his young daughter was kidnapped and went missing long ago. He must have mistaken Bori for his daughter." Okay. Kita na ito daw, ug-hallucinate ba niyong karakter? Wala man. Ay, hallucinate men, ay kamot, oh. Oh, hell no. Hadlok jud kay ni siya, men. Yati jud kay ni siya, jud. Okay, so nabuo na to ang naong ug ang lawas aning baki ani. Ayaw mo baki ba ni? Hallucinate pa ko. Feel ako wala na ko hallucinate. Normal ang CR, oh, normal ang CR. Ang tae, way tae. Okay, normal. No, nalagi na siya sa layo lagi. Naay gatok-tok pero layo kay siya. So kinsa ang gatok-tok? Walay gatok-tok. Inom kog medicine. Day 3 na. Gago. Yati yun sa tumin. The doll, fine, I'm looking for it. I am looking for it. Please get out of my head. Feel na ko, hallucinate ko. Pero na ako nadunggan ganyan, hallucinate ko. Feel na ko, hallucinate ko. Day 4. Boom! Day 1, balik, bush. Normal. Hallucinate! Inundig tambal. Uy, gago, kadlo ko yung shit. Oy, Dran, tiil sa baki. How about a hair transplant? Your daughter would like it too. I said the man was left only with guilt for not being able to save his daughter drunk every day. Takbo hung his head in drunkenness. He starts playing in the wind as if accepting the words. I couldn't stop myself from laughing. Don't know why I care so much about this story. Takgu, Bori, and this house. Everything seems connected. Hadlok. Hadlok kayo, men. Sharog di ko mahadlok ka na. Tanawa, oh. 12:35 ko ga video. Yung words, asa ko. Hallucinate ko. Nako sa laing balay. Okay, so buo na to. So isa na lang kadal atong wala pa na-explore. Okay, marag wala na ko hallucinate bay. Wala, may libro. Financial crisis looms. CR, normal ang CR. Walay tae, wala. Pila ko hallucinate ko. Please. Tang igit na balik sa day 1. CR, ang CR. Normal ang CR. Oh! Tang igit, unsa to? Medicine. Gotta take it yet? Nano man? Tara, hallucinate ko, shit. Normal. Fuck. Hallucinate ko. Gotta take it yet? Nano man? Kadungugog ni Shagit ganina ba? Ulo ni ulo. Kinsa man ning uluhan ni? Hallucinate ko, shit. Ang ref, normal ang ref. Tae, walay tae. Feel ako wala na ako nag-hallucinate. What the f... Ano to? Kinsa man na, hallucinate ko. Sa to. Ngunay piano men, wala man may piano diri. Okay, walay tae. Utangis, madlock dugo na niya bay, hallucinate ko. Feel lang, trust your instinct. Oh, diba, balik sa... Diri normal. Oh, ano to? Bayot sa na bay, hallucinate ko. Shit. Ano? Oh, hallucinate ko, men. Dagan din sa medicine. Hallucinate ko. Fuck. Normal ang CR, normal. Okay, normal tanan. Tanaw na to ang nangunuktok. Ay, putargis. Gonna take it yet? Haduka dyan ninyo. Shit man siya eh. Feel ako hallucinate ko. Wala. Ambot lang. Open door. Oh, diba? Wala like ko hallucinate. Ura, dyan goldfish, bay. Ay! Ano nag-take medicine ko nga normal man? Balik day 1. Uy, day 5. Migi, nagkamali ko ato. Pero tama day. Normal, walay tae, normal. Pero tanawon sa nato una. Ang nanuktok. Uy! Ngano na yung muli, oga? Okay, hallucinate ko. Boom! Day 6. Feel ako hallucinate ko. I don't know. Unta. Hallucinate unta ko. Oh! Nice! Maski wala ko yung makita nga hallucination, pero at least bay na ako yung madungga nagilak. Fuck, asam na. Asam nang gahilak. Sa rep. Oh, ginasundan ko. Galusinit ko. Ginasundan ko sa ulo sa bata. Buset. Nice. Day 8. Lugago. Patay na. Unsan ako. Nalipong na ko. Kani. Siyempre, klaro kayo galusinate ko. Men. Nice. Day 9. Was this Takgo also a victim of that doctor? Takgo, men. Katubaki. Uy, ginatudluan ko ni asa kumad to. Thank you, Takgo. Unsa kay naitabo kay Takgo? Tanaw na to, unsay naitabo kay Takgo, men. Ulo! Uy, turan, doktor, oh. Takgo, nung sa man magpa-brace ni siya? Oh, you're awake, Takgo.
That hair transplant surgery I mentioned.
That hair transplant surgery I mentioned earlier.
just gave it back.
Hair transplant? Mo din na siya ibuhok sa
I'm
baba.
going to do it myself.
I'm going to do it myself for you.
Your daughter.
Your daughter will be delighted to see this too. Soon you'll be completely transformed.
Will be completely
Mao din yan, Dr. Bay.
transformed.
Sakay may tabuan ni Min.
Daku,
Takgo,
Open
open
your
your eyes.
the
The surgery went absolutely perfect.
absolutely perfect.
Tanaw tong surgery daw bidaw. Okay ba?
Now, how
How
about you
about
take a look in the mirror?
Even you won't recognize
Won't
yourself.
recognize yourself.
Unsay gioperahan sa iya ha? Gi-hair transplant siya pero sa baba. Kinsa may ganahan na ulo, garing. Are you the teacher from the orphanage where Boris stayed? She's very sick right now. Your number was the only one written in her notebook.
Yes, that's right.
Ah, yes,
How
that's
is
right.
Bori?
How is Bori?
Bori
Bori has
has been asking
been asking for you a lot. She must
She must
have relied on you quite a bit, if you don't mind.
If you don't mind.
If you don't mind.
Yes, yes.
Nagago na balik likog day 1. Why did that doctor perform such cruel procedures? What was the purpose?
Involved in the illegal medical practice case has been
Bay off.
Can overcome any
Okay, wala ko galusinate.
In addition,
Normal lang CR, naitae? Wala. Okay, good. I thought I might be one of the imprisoned victims, but now I feel like I can break free from that fear. Galusinate ko. Feel ako galusinate ko. Kaya ni-on ang TV nga walay nag-on. Oh, diba? Mali. Buset. Wala ko galusinate. Feel ako, wala ko galusinate. Wala. Ay, galusinate ko. Niyo, tinitanaw siya, min. Galusinate ko. Shit. Galusinate ko. Ay! Galusinate ko. Nasa basurahan niyang naong. Unsa ni? Wala ni. Ay, draulo. I just want to be happy. Why is my life like this? Kasi itlog ni. Each doll seems to hold its own painful story. Si Takgo kay iyang baba. Ay, hati. Galusinate ko. Yung aquarium, normal ang aquarium. Ay, dili normal. Naidugo. Di siya normal. Ay, putay na mo. Di normal, galusinate ko, naidugo ang dugo. Ay, naidugo ang ref. Nice.